Good morning guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys what I eat in a day. I haven't done this video since maybe last summer or like during the school year. I don't even remember, but it's been a long time, and I just kind of found my routine of usually what I eat in a day. Obviously sometimes like I don't have certain things, so I can't make something one day or stuff like that. But I found like a really good breakfast that I love and a lunch that I love. So I wanted to show you guys what I eat in a day. It's for the most part like really healthy. I'm not like on a diet or anything, but if something's healthy and you like it, then it's just like an extra plus. I don't like restrict myself from certain things. So anyways, let's just get right into this first meal, which is going to be my breakfast. First, I like to drink water, so let's do that, and then we're gonna make breakfast because my stomach is growling. I'm starving. So the first step to making my yummy breakfast is grabbing my frozen broccoli baby florets, and I'm going to fill up a pot with a little bit of water. Just like that much, so that it can steam. And then I'm just going to take the broccoli and try to pour it out. That's like the perfect amount actually. I'm gonna put it on about like 3 so that it could steam. Alright, so as I wait for my broccoli to steam, I just have my glass of water to hydrate myself, obviously because I've been sleeping for many hours, so your body needs water like first thing in the morning, not just like coffee, literally just water to replenish yourself. So I'm gonna sit here, drink my water that's in my mason jar, cute little cup, mug, whatever. And then usually when my breakfast is ready, I'll pour another cup. So I'm getting in like my glasses of water that you are supposed to take in each day to make sure you're like really hydrated, especially in the summertime because it's so hot, so you definitely don't want to be dehydrated. So that's what I drink while I'm waiting for my broccolis to steam. So I'll see you guys. Did you just hear that? My throat made such a weird noise. But once my broccoli is ready, I will stir my eggs and see you guys then. So after I strain the broccoli, I just throw them in my eggs. So I just mix them a little bit together because the eggs are pretty much ready. Alright, so now that everything is inside, I like to take this Sargento 4 cheese, Mexican string cheese, and I just sprinkle it on top so that it's nice and cheesy and it melts. So I'm going to take a handful and just sprinkle it. I need to buy a new one of this because it was out. And let that melt. Okay, so the cheese is melting, so last but not least, I'm going to be taking my everything bagel seasoning and sprinkling it on top. I mentioned this, that I bought it in my vlog a couple days ago, so I will have that pop up on the screen if you missed it. But basically, I like discovered this breakfast from a YouTuber that I watch, and I started making it that day, and I've been making it ever since. But this is my food. Alright, so this is the final product. It's just scrambled eggs with broccoli, cheese, and everything bagel seasoning. Obviously, if you don't like cheese, or you can just substitute things out. But this is the perfect breakfast, and I'm obsessed. Alright guys, let's take the first bite together. So good. Alright guys, so the next thing I'm going to be doing is making my coffee and heating it up. So I'm just going to pour my coffee. And then the milk that I use, I don't know if I mentioned it, I use oat milk. So I just use this one, it's the Planet Oat milk, extra creamy. I switch between this one and the Oatly one that they have at like Whole Foods and stuff. But this one is at a market closer, and it's still really good. So I'm just going to warm this up right now, and I'm excited. Alright, we're having some avocado toast for lunch. I'm just waiting for my bread. Oh, my toast is ready. Look how perfect. I'm gonna wrap this one up for like tomorrow and use this little guy. Oh my gosh, they're a little toasty. Alright, now I add a little bit of my favorite seasoning again. And then some sriracha. It's so good with sriracha. And there you go. Guys, it is now 3:30 and like 3:40 actually. And I'm gonna have a little snack. I'm just gonna have a little bit of some goldfish while I sit, and I'm on my computer. I'm actually looking at some nail colors, just trying to find the perfect nail color that I wanted to do tomorrow for my vacation. So like I said, sometimes I have a snack, sometimes I don't, but since I work today, I want to have a little snack before I go, since I won't be eating dinner till later. So just having some good old goldfish. Alright guys, so as I'm editing this video, my last part of my dinner for my what I eat in a day, I just realized that like I didn't film because I had work, and I just didn't, like, honestly just slipped my mind. But I did take a picture of it, of what I ate, just because I was going to use it for like my thumbnail, but I just didn't really film it because obviously I was at work, and I don't know what I was thinking honestly. But I did take a picture of it because I was going to use that as my thumbnail, which didn't even end up working out because the way I took it wasn't like horizontal, it was vertical, so it just didn't fit. Everything was a mess. But I did take a picture of it, so I'll have it pop up on the screen. It was just a salad with some whole bunch of stuff in it actually. But anyways, it was good, and I just usually switch up my dinner, so honestly like what I eat on an everyday basis isn't always a salad. Usually I just eat whatever my mom makes because I don't really go out for dinner unless I'm already out hanging out. But for the most part I eat at home, whatever my mom makes. So it's good. It's either like rice with chicken or pasta, some sort of vegetables with chicken Caesar salad. Like, it really switches up a lot, so I can't really like say what I eat every day because it's not the same. It's just not realistic. But yeah, this was it for my what I eat in a day. Hope you guys enjoy. These are all meals that I love to make, and of course I switch things out like I mentioned in the beginning. It's not always the same, just depends on what I have at my house. Like another alternate for my breakfast could be like peanut butter toast. Sometimes I even have waffles. Like it really truly depends on the day, what I'm feeling. But so far this is like my go-to of what I eat, and it's like super nice and like healthy. I don't know, it's just so good and I like it. So if you guys want to see any other videos, have like suggestions, leave them down below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Also follow me on Instagram, I'll have it pop up on the screen. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below your favorite go-to meals, because I would love to, you know, compare and see what other people like to eat. Maybe I can try to make it one day too. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.